I'm going to show you a brief clip from the live-action version of One Piece. See if you can spot the mistake.
Mihawk.
Did you catch it? If not, then what I'm about to tell you will completely change how you watch scenes like this. Have a look again, and this time I'll point out the problem.
Mihawk.
Anomaly detected.
Why are we focusing on a nondescript piece of set dressing? Well, this object is called a decanter. It's used for storing liquor, and if you want to keep track of what kind, you can put one of these silver labels on it. Decanters have been in use for millennia, but designs with matching glass stoppers weren't developed until sometime after 1730. If you're watching a show or a movie set before then and you see a decanter with a glass stopper, that's a mistake. Hang on, I know what you're gonna say. One Piece is set in a fictional universe, so the normal history doesn't apply. Yes, it's a problem if Blackbeard has one of these, but Vice Admiral Garp might be sailing in his equivalent of the 1800s. Well, there's an issue there too. This is also a decanter, but it's a special kind that's called a ship's decanter. This one was made in about 1810, and it has a low center of gravity so that it won't topple over while a sailing vessel is on the high seas. Any naval commander worth their salt would know better than to keep a table decanter in the captain's cabin. So if you see them with anything other than one of these, that's a mistake. Now, if you're like me, you're gonna start scanning the background of every scene that's set in a sailing ship. But this next detail will have you looking at the real world. The term every day is always two words when someone means each day. The single word, everyday, is an adjective that means ordinary. Conflating the two is an everyday error that people make every day. So if you see a commercial or a billboard that gets it wrong, you can tell the company behind it, that's a mistake. By the way, some collectors will pay a few $1,000s for a 19th century ship's decanter. So the next time that you're in a thrift store, keep an eye out. You won't find one every day, but if you do, you'll know that it's not an everyday item.